Good morning, students of class 9. Class 10. You're welcome back to the classes now. We'll continue our lesson in English. We are doing from the diary of Anne Frank. So in our previous class, we have talked about the theme of the story, and today we'll learn the first part, the subtitle, that is Diary Writing: A Strange Experience. Why she felt that it is a very strange experience. So we'll talk about that now today. The part 1, subtitle number 1, Diary Writing: A Strange Experience. There are 3 points over here written. So number 1, Anne Frank thinks that writing a diary is a strange experience. Why? Because she has never written such things like this. She has never written anything like this before. So it was her first time to write a diary. And we will learn also why there was a need to write a diary. So she also feels that no one else will be interested in reading her diary. She feels that no one else except her will be interested in the musing of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. Musing means thoughts. Whatever I think, whatever I imagine, I put down in the jot down in the diary. So who will be interested to read my thoughts and my feelings and all? Nobody will be interested in reading the diary except myself. So number C, she writes it for herself. She does not write this for others. She writes this diary for herself because she wants to get all kinds of things off her chest, as no real as she has no real friend, because she has no real friend. There were so many friends as schoolmates, but not a real friend. So that means she wants to take off everything from her chest, tell everything. So since she has no one else, so she wrote everything, her feelings, thoughts, imaginations, everything in the diary. So she writes it for herself because she wants to get all kinds of things, hopes, aspirations, love, feelings, hobbies, all kinds of things off her chest, as she has no real friend to whom she can confide, or to whom she could share her secrets. She could not share her secrets with anyone else because she feels that it is very difficult to trust people. So she has no faith towards people. It's very difficult. They are very, very critical. People are very critical. Sometime or the other they will expose all the secrets. That's why she wanted to write her feelings in the diary, as long as she is alone. If she finds a real friend, then she will tell everything to her. Number 2, paper has more patience than people. Yes, that's true. Paper has more patience. They will not ask anything in return. They will keep the secret. If you tell the secret to your friend, sometime or the other, or someday or the other, the friend will expose all the secret in front of all the people. You can't trust. So paper has more patience than people. Moreover, it will not ask anything in return. So now there are altogether 3 points. Annie feels that paper has more patience than people. Yes, that was true. Number B, there was a time when she feels depressed, when she feels upset. When she feels upset or when she feels very sad, there was a time when she was a little depressed and sat at home. At that time, she has nobody else to confide or have faith towards them. So She sits at home alone. She can't tell anything to others. She does not want anyone else. She does not want anyone else except her to read her diary. So she does not want others to read that diary. Unless she finds a real friend. Until and unless I'll find a real friend, I will not let other people read my diary, because in my diary, everything I have written, all my secrets, all my feelings, imagination, thoughts, my hopes, aspirations, everything she wrote there. She writes all her feelings, not T, this is L. She writes all her feelings, thoughts, and her secrets in the diary, as it will not expose her secret, because paper will not expose her secrets, will not tell anything to others. It will keep secret as secret. So that's why she chose to write in her diary. So next video, number 3 point, third point, her diary. So now there will be an introduction. You'll see she will not write just like that, everyday events or feelings. First, she will introduce herself to the diary, and in the next class we will talk about her diary. And she named her diary her friend Kitty, a dear friend Kitty. The name of the diary she kept Kitty. So her diary, her friend Kitty. So there we will learn more about her diary, about her introduction and everything. When we make friends, we first introduce ourselves. Then slowly friendship grows. Similarly, she will not write everything in her diary just like that. She first introduced herself to the diary, and she gave a name to that diary. So that means like her real friend. So she thinks that her diary is her real friend. That's why she keeps all her secrets there. So her diary, her friend, we'll learn in the next class. Thank you very much for watching. You go through that Anne Frank, from the diary of Anne Frank, go through that. It's a very long chapter. So we'll go part by part, slowly move forward. So thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next class.